Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Ngong, Matasia. A few days ago, I went to an expo and I overheard a conversation. One of the guys said that the African architectural designs look like an inverted poop emoji. I'm tempted to agree, but before I do that, let me explain to you how African real estate sector works. The sector in Kenya is subdivided into three categories. We have the high-end housing, the middle-class housing, and the low-cost housing. In the high-end housing, you will find that the building codes and the architectural designs are adhered to 100%. In the middle class, 50% will adhere to the building codes and will stick to the architectural designs to the letter, while the other 50 will just copy-paste from their friends. In the low class, it's 80-20. 20% of the people will follow the rules, while the other 80 will just copy from their friends, from the internet, or just use their head. To make the matter worse, they use quacks to build the houses, and then the houses will come crumbling down, and then they will start with the Serikali's idea nonsense. Let's start the tour. Next to me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 366 square meters. The price of this home is 25 million, and this home has been built on an 80 by 100 lot. This home comes with a gazebo and a parking that will fit all your cars. The home also comes with a perimeter wall that comes with an electric fence, and on top of that you have a 24-hour surveillance system. The home comes with 2 entrances, this one that faces the main compound, and we have another one on this other side. That is the main entrance. But before I take you there, just have a look at this decoration. Is it not inviting? Beautiful, right? This home comes with a front yard that extends to the backyard where we have the kitchen garden, and to the main entrance you take these steps. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the living room of this home. This living room is big enough to fit a 7-seater couch like this one, and you'll still have some spaces left. This home comes with massive windows that give you maximum natural light and an indoor-outdoor environment. The home comes with some plants that maximizes the freshness of the air in this room. This living room comes with very well cladded walls, and this wall acts as the focal point of this home. Down here you have a modern fireplace, and above it you have an area set aside for all your electronics. As I said, this living room can be accessed through 2 doors. We have the main door and we have another door on this side. I'll show you that later. Let me show you the dining area. The dining space is big enough to fit a 6-seater table set like this one, but as you can see from there, the space is big enough to fit an 8-seater or a 10-seater dining set. The dining area comes with massive picture windows that gives you very good views to the kitchen garden. Next to me, you have the kitchen of this home. This home adopts the open floor plan method, and the kitchen of this home has been separated from the dining area by this countertop. The countertop can also act as a minibar. This home comes with a refrigerator here and dark granite countertops all over. This kitchen can be accessed from the dining area or the living room. On this other side of the kitchen, you have an extra storage that extends to join the sink area. The sink area is a double sink, and it comes with this massive window that gives you maximum natural light as you are doing your dishes. This kitchen comes with a microwave and an oven. Next to it, the kitchen comes with a 3-burner gas cooker and an extension to an induction coil. Above it, you have its hood, and below it, you have an extra oven. This is a unique feature, especially if you like baking. This door leads you to the kitchen garden, and this other door leads you to the pantry of this kitchen. The pantry is closed because they are using it as the store. Let me show you the kitchen garden. This hallway takes you to the front of the kitchen, and on this other side, it will take you to the kitchen garden. The kitchen garden area is very well done, and the kitchen garden comes with some kales and some spinach. The other spaces have been left for anything else that you would like to plant. Let me take you back inside. From the kitchen garden, here we are at the living room of this home. Next to me, you have the laundry area, and next to it, you have the common bathroom. On my right hand side, you have the guest bedroom, and I'll show you the laundry area first. The laundry area is of an average size, and it comes with enough storage for all your dirty laundry. The laundry area comes with a washer that will also act as the dryer. As I said, this house can be accessed through 2 doors. This is the second entrance that faces the front yard. Let's see the common washroom. The common washroom is of an average size and it comes with a vanity setup, a water closet, and here you have the showering area. I'll show you the guest bedroom. I like the size of the guest bedroom, the two big windows that comes with it, and the very well crafted gypsum ceilings. On the other side of the guest bedroom, you have a floor to ceiling closet, and it comes with this section either for your foldable clothes or for your shoes. The guest bedroom is next to the common washroom, so the common washroom doubles as the bathroom to this guest bedroom. Let me take you upstairs. Before I take you upstairs, I like how the developer utilizes the area under the stairs. You have this massive cabinetry that would be very usable. On the upper level of this home, you have the 3 other bedrooms and the office or the study. But before I take you there, just have a look at this massive window that gives you very good views, and the lighting is perfect. I'll take you to the first bedroom. Wow, the first bedroom is massive. The bedroom is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one or a bigger bed. Its bathroom is here. Let's see it. Just like the other bathroom that we saw, this bathroom comes with a vanity setup, a water closet, and behind it you have a bathtub. The bathroom also comes with a rain shower and a handheld. On the other side of the bedroom, you have the closet and the balcony. The closet is big enough for your boys or your girls, and the access to the balcony is here. From this balcony, your children will get the best views of the neighboring environment. Let's get back inside. From the first bedroom, this is the study, and it separates the first bedroom from the second bedroom. If you choose to use this room as the study, the room is sufficient and it comes with very good cabinetry for your files and documents. If you choose to use it as an office, it's very good because it has very good views and an access to a balcony. This balcony is massive and it will make this room less boring when your kids are doing their study. I'll take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom, and it comes with a 5x6 bed, but this space is big enough to fit a 6x6 bed, and a space will be left for your side drawers. This bedroom comes with 2 closets and its bathroom is here. The fact that it comes with 2 closets makes it very easy to be used by your bigger kids, especially your girls, and we all know girls like shopping. Let me show you the bathroom. This bathroom is slightly smaller than the one that we found in the first bedroom, and it comes with all the required fixtures, and from here I'll take you to the balcony. The balcony is of a standard size, slightly smaller than the one that we found in the first bedroom, and it gives you very good views. I'll take you to the primary bedroom. Wow, the primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with its walk-in closet here and its bathroom next to it. On the other side, the bedroom comes with a king-size bed, and you have these 2 spaces that can be usable for your side drawers. This bedroom is massive. You even have this space that can be used for your morning prayers or your yoga immediately you wake up. Next to me, you have the balcony of the primary bedroom. And from here, you'll be watching your neighbor as you enjoy the morning sunshine. Right now, we have some foodies very busy here doing his house. I'll show you the walk-in closet and the bathroom. The walk-in closet of this bedroom is here. This closet is not the biggest, but that's not an issue because you still have other closets in the other 3 bedrooms. Let's see the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest in this home, and it comes with a bathtub, a water closet, a shower cubicle, and a vanity setup. In the shower cubicle, you have a rain shower and a handheld. This bathroom comes with 2 big windows for maximum natural light. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour and I hope you have enjoyed. Our contacts are in the first comment. Please like this video and subscribe. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.